y'all, it's Tamara. Welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all are well. So today's video, y'all, is jam-packed with so much motivation. I've got a lot of stuff to tackle today. As you can see right now, I'm starting outside. I've got to make a wreath. I've got laundry. Yes, laundry motivation, like washing and folding, y'all. I know, I'm shocked too. But I've got that type of motivation. I've also got some cleaning motivation as well. So I hope you guys are ready. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope that it motivates you to stick around and join me over here. All you guys who always with me every week, comment, like, all that kind of stuff. I love y'all. Thank you so much for being here. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get to it.
Treat you better. Come away with me. I love you like no other.
So I started out the day before. I touched up the white trim next to our door, like the door panel. Because we hadn't done it in a while, it was just kind of looking a little dingy. So I just wanted to go ahead and make sure I did that before I started adding a few fall touches to the front porch. So the only thing that I purchased in order to add some fall to the front porch is this rug. I got this rug just on a whim. I was in Dollar General and they had it for $8. I'm like, okay, it's cute. It's a good deal. It'll work for the front porch. So everything else I had, I just pulled some pieces from inside. I also purchased these mums from Walmart and they ain't doing so good, y'all. I'm just gonna be honest right now. Update on these mums. Yeah, not so good. So maybe I'll get some more, I'm not sure. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and just move some stuff around just to add a little bit of fall to the front porch. So if you watched my last video, you saw that I purchased the stems and the wreath from Hobby Lobby. They were still having their 40% off sale. I actually had them for some weeks now. The wreath, I want to say, was like $5 or $6, I want to say. And then the stems, they were probably like between $1 and $4. So I just wanted to make a wreath this year. Like I said in my last video, I just wanted to elevate on a budget. So I had a wreath that I purchased. It was a little simple cross wreath or whatever. It probably didn't cost maybe $10 or whatever, but it was starting to fall apart. And I'm like, okay, I can probably make a wreath to look how I want it to look for a pretty good price. So I was able to pull it off.
and gold. I wanna play it every day till we're old. I know this could be wrong, but I'm tired of wanting.
It took me a minute to get it how I want it, but I love how it turned out.
We know we tried it, and we were reckless. Always get up again. We're like pilots.
So now that the wreath is done, I'm just going to go ahead and clean up my mess and put things away. I'm not going to really do a deep clean. Our niece is with us for this week, and she is doing her online school in here, so I really don't want to mess with her things. So I'm just going to clean around her items and vacuum to get all of the glitter and all that kind of stuff up in here.
We playing slow-mo, losing the control. I let you win, 'cause you're the game I wanna play till we're old.
So all the items that I use for our laundry, I'll try to link it in the description box if I don't forget. But quickly, I use Persil as my laundry detergent. This is Oxy Clean. I also use the Downy scent beads. I don't really have a preference on smell right now. I use Downy softener and Clorox. I also use Lysol laundry sanitizer when I can find it, which I do have some right now. And then I also use vinegar like for my towels, which I'm out of. But and I got that tip from Yesenia's A Mom's Life channel, y'all. She has great laundry routines that she has on her channel. So if you guys have not checked her out, she has a great channel. Go check her out. I'll try to link it below. And then if you do, just let her know that I sent you. I've been washing a lot of dishes by hand lately. I guess because we're all here, you know, the kids are here, I'm here, and I feel like we go through a lot more dishes than we would. Of course, that makes sense to me. If we all weren't here during the day. But I found it to be a little bit therapeutic to wash the dishes. Like before we moved here, I was a dishwasher. We didn't have a dishwasher. So when we got here, and I'm like, oh yes, we got a dishwasher. Like I use a dishwasher 3 times a day. I was that type of person. But it's like lately, since we've been using more dishes than we used to, and the dishwasher gets filled up fast, like I won't wait. Yeah, I've been lazy before where I just wait. Look, I'm gonna run it next. You know what I mean? But I just like to wash the dishes. I don't know where that came from, but and I don't even know if it's gonna stay. But for right now, you know, I've been enjoying watching just a few of them now. You know, washing the dishes again. now I'm just going to work on the laundry. I've got a couple loads to fold and a couple loads to wash. So I did not renege on my promise to give y'all some laundry motivation. So not just folding motivation. So I've got some laundry motivation for y'all. And if you've got that basket sitting in that corner, you know those clothes need to be folded, and you've got those dirty clothes that you can just sort and go ahead and start some loads. Come on, we can get this done. Go get it together. I feel like it's a challenge every time I'm folding clothes to actually make it through all the socks, and all of them have mates. I just don't know what's been happening to the socks. Like, then I try to save them for a while just in case they come back around. And then sometimes I just get tired of them, just throw that one away. But then when you throw that one away, what happens? You find the other one. So this is a little basket that I just leave on the dryer with the socks that need mates. And every now and then I will come back to it to see if I can mate some up. So you see how many socks that we are missing mates to? This basket will be empty soon because I'm just over it. All I hear is lies. So this is the last thing that I'm gonna do for tonight. I will worry about those towels in the wash later on or in the morning. Yes, I did say in the morning. I was so tired after doing all this stuff, y'all, but it feels so good to get all this stuff done. So I hope that you got up and got a lot done around your house, or you will use this as motivation for another time. So I'm just going to fail at folding this fitted sheet. So thank y'all so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that it was jam-packed with whatever you needed to help you get through this day or another day. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, you guys. I really appreciate it. I'm trying to grow my channel, and those really help. It doesn't cost you anything. just as well as subscribing. If you are not subscribed, I would love for you to do that. It doesn't cost you anything. It just lets you know that you are part of my channel, you enjoy what I do, and also turn on your post notifications so you will know when I upload. So thank y'all so much for hanging out with me. As always, I appreciate it. I hope you have the most amazing week, y'all. I'll see y'all on Sunday for my next video. So blessings to y'all.
Baby,